Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VS Code, the Microsoft C/C++ extension, and a working compiler like GCC, Clang, or MSVC. Once installed, make sure the compiler binary is on your path so VS Code can invoke it. Now create a workspace folder and open it in VS Code. You'll need a C file to compile. Then use the command palette to select the C/C++ extension for language features and configure a basic tasks. JSON to run your compiler. Next, configure build and debug. Create tasks. JSON that runs GCC or Clang with flags such as G for debugging and O0 for no optimization. This compiles your C into an executable. Once done, create launch. JSON to launch the debugger, LLDB or GDB on Linux/Mac OS, CPPVSDBG or CPPVS on Windows, and point it to the compiled binary. Also set include path and compiler path in C CPP properties. Finally, build and run. Use terminal or run task to compile, then start the debugger from the run pane to set breakpoints and step through code. Verify the produced executable runs and that symbols are loaded. Make sure G was used and optimization disabled if stepping feels off. If things go wrong, check path, compiler path, and JSON file paths. For deeper issues, enable verbose logging for tasks and the debugger to inspect command lines and error messages. That will guide your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.